In this lecture, we're going to show how we can set a dimension properties in the one place. So we can go here to the options, and then you can go here to document properties tab and dimensions here, like this. Or we can go here and we can choose here edit document units. And we are here, and now let's choose dimensions. So here, first we can change text font. If we want, we can choose a different font and the height. Down here we have dual dimensions. We can check dual dimension display, and now we can go with the position top, bottom, right, left. As well, we can go show units for dual dimension display if you want. Let's check this. Here we can define the primary precision, so we can here choose the number of decimals. We can go with 3. Here for the dual precision as well, we can choose number of decimals. Down here we have fractional display, so we can choose the style here of the fractional display, and here we can choose the band leaders. Now let's go down here. Here we have show units of dimensions, and let's check this one. But now on the right side we have arrows. Here we can change some dimensions of our arrows. As well, here we can choose a style. So we can go now, for example, with this style, and this style will be applied to all dimensions that we choose. And here we can define the offset distance between dimensions. So now we have 6 millimeters. We can, for example, increase this to 10 millimeters, like this. Now let's click OK. Now here you can see that we have dual dimensions in inches and in millimeters. And now you can see here, as you can see, we have a different arrow style. And this style is applied to all dimensions. And now if we go to annotation, smart dimension, let's make this dimension. Now we have the same arrow style as here. So this is how you can set up dimension properties in the one place, and that will affect all dimensions on your drawing sheet.